So hello all, next question is question number 7, exercise 12.3. So in this question we have to find out the area of the shaded region. So side of square is 14 centimeter. So we know that these are four quadrants inside this square. So area of shaded region will be equal to area of square minus area of four quadrants, right? So area of square is side square. Okay, now as we can see, the radius of circle will be equal to 14 upon 2, 7 centimeter, because this is also r, this is also r. So 2r is equal to 14 centimeter. So r is equal to 14 upon 2, 7 centimeter, right? So r is 7 centimeter. So 14 square minus 4. Now area of quadrant is, either we can take theta is 90 degree, or you can directly put 1 by 4 pi r square, right? 4 to 4 get cancelled. 14 minus 22 by 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Okay, 14 square. 7 to 7 cancel. So 14 square is 196 minus 154, which is equal to 42 centimeter square. So this is our answer of question number 7th. Now next is question number 8. So in question number 8 it is given that the distance between two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each of 106. So that means this is 106 meter, and distance between inner is how much? 60 meter, right? So and the track is 10 meter wide, so this is 10 meter wide, right? Now we have to find out the distance around the track along its inner edge, right? So suppose if we in the first part, so distance required distance is equal to, so if we start from this point, so that means this is half of circumference of semicircle, right? C by 2 plus this is length plus again C by 2, right? And again length, right? So we can simply say it is C by 2 plus C by 2 C plus 2L. Now circumference of circle is 2 pi r, r1 because inner radius we have to take, plus L is 2L, right? 2L. Now radius will be equal to r1 is equal to d1 upon 2, so 60 upon 2, 30 meter. So radius is 30 meter, right? So now put the value. So 2 multiplied 22 by 7 multiplied by 30 plus 2 multiplied by 106, right? So simply solve this and you will get the answer. So just solve this expression and you will get the answer, right? In meters, right? Next, second part. So in second part it is given that, find the area of the track. Now area of track, right? So this means if I consider this as two circles, right? Two semicircles, right? So area of this portion will be outer semicircle area minus inner semicircle area, and twice of it will be this one, right? Similarly this is a rectangle and this is also a rectangle, right? So area required is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, L into B, right? Plus 2 area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is, outer semicircle is pi r2 square upon 2 minus pi r1 square upon 2, right? So let's put the values. So this will be equal to 2 bracket L is 106 multiply breadth is 10, right? 10 plus, if I take 2 common, 1 by 2 common, so 2 to 2 get cancelled, and pi common, 22 by 7 common, r2 R2 will be 30 plus 10, 40 meter, right? Because this is 30 and that is 10, so 30 plus 10, 40. 40 square minus 30 square. So on simplifying this value, you will get the answer. So very easy question it is. Answer unit will be meter square, right? Unit will be meter square. Now next is question number 9. So in question number 9, we have to find out area of shaded region. So if you can see, these are two segments, right? Two segments plus area of the circle will be our required area. Now we know that AB and CD are diameters of circle. So it is given in the question, and OA is equal to 7 centimeter. So OA is equal to 7 centimeter is equal to OD, right? So diameter of circle will be OD. So R1 OD, let's call it ROD. Radius of this OD circle will be equal to diameter OD upon 2. So 7 upon 2, right? And ROC is 7 centimeter because OA is 7 centimeter. So now let's put the value. So area required is equal to area of circle OC. OC means smaller. OD. OD means this circle. Plus 2 bracket because there are two segments. So area of minor sector minus area of triangle, right? Because area of segment is area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So area of circle this, so pi ROC square plus 2 bracket. Now this is 90 degree, so theta is 90, so 90 upon 360 pi r square. So pi r OC square minus half base into height. So base is OA and height is OC, right? Area of this triangle will be half base into height. So let's put the values. So pi is 22 by 7, ROC is 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 plus 2 bracket 1 by 4 multiplied 22 by 7. ROC is 7 multiplied by 7 minus half multiplied 7 multiplied 7, right? So this will be 2 times, this will be 11 times. If I take 1 by 2 common, so 2 from 2 will get cancelled, 7 to 7 cancelled, 2 11, so 77 upon 2 plus 2 from 2 get cancelled, 11 multiplied by 49, right? Okay, 7 to 7 get cancelled, so 11 multiplied 7 is 77 minus 7 multiplied 7 is 49, right? So this will be equal to, because 2 we have taken out common, 77 upon 2 minus 17 minus 9 is 8 and 6 minus 4 is 2. So that will be equal to 77 upon 2 minus 56, right, on taking LCM. So this will be 21 upon 2 centimeter square. So area required is 21 upon 2 centimeter square. Okay, so here it will be a plus sign. It will be a plus sign, plus 56. So 7 plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6 is 13 and this 7 plus 6 is again 13, 133 upon 2. So 133 upon 2 centimeter square, right? So which will be equal to 66.5 centimeter square. So this is our answer of question number 9th, right? Now this is next question, question number 10th. So in question number 10th, it is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. The area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC is equal to 17320.5 centimeter square, right? and if it is an equilateral triangle, so this angle will be equal to 60 degree, right? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree, right? This will be 60, this will be 60, right? And a circle is drawn with radius equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle. So circle radius is side upon 2, it is given, right? Now ABC area is this. So we know that area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square, right? So area of triangle is 17320.5 is equal to root 3 value is, it is given 1.73205 divided by 4 side square, right? So side value will be equal to, side square value will be equal to 4 multiplied 17320.5 divided by 1.73205. Removing this decimal, we have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 10, right? Now this from this get cancelled and 0 from 0 get cancelled, so this will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So side value will be equal to, so from here we can say side is equal to square root of 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 200 centimeter. So radius is side upon 2, which is 200 upon 2, which is 100 centimeter. Now radius is 100 centimeter. Now we know that area required or area of the shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors, because inside the triangle we have 3 sectors. So if we remove 3 sectors, we will get the required area. So area of triangle is 17320.5 minus area of 3 sectors, so 3 bracket theta upon 360 pi r square, right? So 17320.5 minus 3 bracket 60 upon 360, pi value is 3.14, r square is 100 square, right? So again 17320.5 minus 0 to 0, 6 1 time 6, 6 time 3 1 time 3, 2 times and 1.57, right? So 15700. So this will be equal to 0.5 as it is, 0 to 13 minus 7 is 6 and 1620.5 centimeter square. So this is area required. Now this is a question, another question. In this we have to find out area remaining, right? If I cover up these circles, so what will be the area remaining, that we have to find out, right? So we know that this is diameter of circle, this is also diameter of circle, this is also diameter of circle, and this whole length side of square is not given. 9 circular designs of radius is given. So we know that side of square AB, BC, CD, anything you can take, a side will be equal to 3 diameter, right? 3 multiplied diameter, and diameter is twice of radius, right? So this will be 6 radius. So 6 multiplied by radius is given, radius is 7, 42 centimeter square. Now area required will be equal to area of square minus 9 multiplied by area of circles, right? So area of square is side square, so 42 square, minus 9 multiplied by pi r square, so 22 by 7, r is 7 multiplied by 7, right? Because 9 circles are there. So 42 square is 4, and this will be equal to 1764. 1764 minus 7 to 7 cancel. 9 multiplied, this will be 9 multiplied by 154. 7 to 14, 154. So 1764 minus 9 4 36, 9 5 45, 48, 9 1 9 1 3 8 6. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 15 minus 8 is 7, and this 16 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3. So 378 centimeter square is the required answer. So this is all for this video. In the next video we'll discuss further questions. So thank you for watching.